Hi guys, welcome to module 4 video 3. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the power of InMails to reach your targeted people. Now when you're on LinkedIn and when you want to message people who aren't in your network, then LinkedIn allows you to send these people a message through InMails. Now with LinkedIn InMails, what you need to do is you need to have a premium account and they give you a certain amount of credits. So let me just show you an example, okay? So let's say I click on this profile and I'm just going to see which people are connected. So obviously I'm going to be focusing on second and third degree connections, people who aren't basically on my friends list. So I'm going to click on this profile, for example, okay? And as you can see, if I was to message this person, I would need to connect with her. But LinkedIn allows me to message this person anyway by clicking on more and clicking on message. Now this will take me to LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which we're going to be talking about in the next module. And what this allows me to do is, if I go to message Emma, as you can see, I can send her an InMail. So the easiest way to sort of look at this is to basically view this profile on Sales Navigator. And as you can see, it should say open profile, and it's got a gold mark. It's got a gold symbol next to it. So if I click on message, this InMail is going to be free. Now, I'm going to shortly show you how you can send 800 InMails every single month without having to rely on the credit system. Now, what I mean by the credit system is what we spoke about in the previous video. So if I was to message someone, so let's head over to this this list, and if I was to message this person, for example, I would click on these three dots, click on message. Actually, let me just do a different example. So let me just do this one. So we'll click on the three dots, click on send a message, and as you can see, it says using one of 40 remaining credits. So here, as you can see, LinkedIn has given me 40 credits to send InMails to people I'm not connected with. But there's a loophole, and the loophole is this, which again I mentioned in the previous video. If people have a premium profile, even if they're a third degree connection or a second degree connection, meaning they're not connected with you as a friend, you can still send them a message. So if I was to sort of head over to this profile and basically click on message, as you can see, it is free to open profile. So potentially I can send 800 messages a day to these type of people, okay? And that is, sorry, I can send 800 messages per month to these type of people who have an open profile and who have a premium LinkedIn account. So with the credit system, as you can see, with some people, when you have a credit system in place, these people are not premium members, and these people are kind of reluctant to have messages from people. Now, that's how this works. So remember, with InMails, you have people who have who have premium accounts. You can send them a message and it won't cost you in credits. And with the credit system, you have about 40 credits if you upgrade to a premium account. And the InMails will allow you to reach out to people, basically anyone on LinkedIn. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And if it doesn't, then please let me know. Okay. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about, um, is InMails. One thing I want you to guys to understand is with InMails, again, you need to get straight to the point. Obviously, don't start sending your website link to people. but you want to start the subject line, probably addressing the name. And then what you want to do is you want to get into the meat of the body, whatever you want to say. Okay, so again, I'm going to show you the technique. I'm going to share the script that works for me to generate, helps me get 30, 40 appointments a week using this approach, and it's very powerful. Okay, so I hope you understand this InMail section, and if you've got any questions, please let me know. See you guys in the next video.